I'm Alex Leary with the VOA Special English Technology Report. Builders in developing countries are often not required to build strong buildings, so when a disaster strikes, the damage is often widespread. Yet Japan is one of the most developed countries in the world. Still, the March 11 earthquake and tsunami which destroyed more than 14,000 buildings. Ben Cox is an assistant professor of civil engineering at the University of Arkansas. He is also an earthquake expert with an organization called Geotechnical Extreme Event Recognition or GEO. The group study major disaster. Professor Cox said Japan has one of the best building code systems in the world. However, he said this earthquake was huge, one of the top 5 earthquakes in recorded history. So anytime there is an earthquake that's large, there is going to be damage. The quake measure magnitude 9. He said one thing many people don't understand is that building codes are meant to prevent loss of life in earthquake. That doesn't mean that the building won't have major damage. Mr. Cox said Japan has invested a lot in seismic research and design, seeing a magnitude 7.5 earthquake in Niigata in 1964. That same year, a 9.2 quake shook the American state of Alaska. He said though two earthquakes opened up a lot of new research on something called soil liquefaction. Soil liquefaction is the process by which strength of stiffness of soil is weakened by uneven like a shaking of an earthquake. The soil begins to move like liquid. Professor Cox said it's the first step to designing an earthquake-resistant building to study the soils. Then the structural engineer take that information that decides the detail of the construction, such as it is going to be a steel structure, is this going to be reinforced concrete, how will the framing of the building be designed. A team from Geotechnical Extreme Event Recognition is going to Japan to extreme the destruction. Mr. Cox said they will also be working rebuilding effort. They want to make sure that school, hospital, police and fire section and government buildings are rebuilt well. Mr. Cox and other members of GEO went to Haiti after the powerful earthquake last year and continue to work with Haitian officials for VOA Special English.